I feel I can be my full authentic self at MongoDB 100%.
Do I feel I can be my full authentic self at MongoDB? The answer is 100% yes.
I definitely feel like I can be my full authentic self at MongoDB. I'm pretty out there. I generally don't hold back. So if it were a problem to be myself here, I don't think I would have ended up staying here for over 10 years.
When I started MongoDB, I just had this different energy where I felt super invited to be part of every team. And like, I didn't feel like being gay was a conversation at all. I feel people didn't make it a topic. Like, it was actually okay. And I think that's how it should be.
I feel that MongoDB absolutely supports me being who I am. And I think even more beautifully, high-tech industry as a whole has really led the way in business for being a safe space for people who are maybe a little bit out of the norm.
I really feel a true sense of authenticity, not just in this company. I feel like our brand is so strong around authenticity. I definitely feel I can be myself. I think I'm probably most myself in this company of all companies.
What we've been able to achieve at MongoDB is a desire to be much more open and visible about that support that we give to people here. And as an executive, I at the company, I really hope that all of the other people who identify as queer feel the same way that I do, because I wouldn't. I think this company in particular, despite having worked at many open-minded companies over the years, I feel like this one is exceptionally so.
Culture is a very important aspect of the MongoDB experience. And through that, the recognition that it's more than just, are we making the best database that we can? It's, are we the best employer that we can? And bringing this idea of individuals as providing value to our business as something that's considered important at the highest levels.
When you spend most of the time at a workplace, then you realize this should be the space where you don't have to keep something which you can't express to other people. So that's when I realized that this would be a very safe space. And I have talked to many folks in the community as well. So I think this is a very safest space to be here in MongoDB.